Hello traders, today is March 14th. I'm doing this second video of the day because I see a lot of traders asking about rollover. I'm going to explain to you what that's all about. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So it's very simple in NinjaTrader, or if you're using a different charting platform, we have to roll over with futures on specific dates. Now with the US financials focusing on the E-mini or NASDAQ traded on the CME, it's really simple. We go to database management on NinjaTrader and you're going to see that there are a few contracts already listed that indicate we have to update them. There's a little button there that's called rollover. You can check some of these boxes and now it says let's roll over, and poof, they have disappeared because now it's rollover. They're already rolled over. So at this point, the contract that you were looking at was a March contract, and now it's been upgraded to the June contract. Now we can do the same thing in June. We have to roll over before the end of June, and then it'll roll over to September. Same thing. Now the rule of thumb typically is the second Thursday or second Friday of the expiring contract month. So just remember that when you're rolling over. You don't have to do it right away in the beginning of March or in the beginning of June or the beginning of September. You should do it about midway through, and the rule of thumb is the second Thursday or Friday of the expiring contract month. So I wanted to show you that in case you haven't rolled over into June. So now we're on the June contract on the E-mini, the NASDAQ, typically the currencies as well, the futures currencies on the CME exchange. If you have any questions, we do have a tutorial on this as well. If you go to the how-to section at DayTradeToWin, we have a lot of information there, how to activate indicators, all about rollover, the market replay. So in case you need that information, visit the DayTradeToWin.com and look for how-to and setup. My name is John Paul. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.